So the sorting algorithm which will be shown here is merge sort. And merge sort is, in the long run, faster than insertion, bubble sort, and selection sort. Merge sort is O of n log n, while selection, bubble, and insertion sort are O of n squared. The basic idea of merge sort is to continuously split the array into two separate arrays until you reach two arrays of one, and then merge them back together, hence the name merge sort. So we'll be showing this with numbers 1 through 8. I chose 8 because merge sort is particularly easy if it is a power of 2, because then you can continuously split it without having to go through any such floors and splitting them into uneven arrays. So the essential idea is you'll split them into two arrays. So 1, 8, 2, 7 will split, and 3, 5, 6, 4 will split. Then once again, you'll split it into two arrays, like this. So 2 and 7, and 1 and 8, then 6 and 4, and 5 and 3. And then once again, we split these into two arrays. So for now, we'll be looking at this side. What you do next is you have these two different arrays like this, and what you'll essentially be doing is merging them back together. So for these two arrays, you'll compare the the first index of the arrays, and then put them back together. Since 3 is less than 5, you'll put 3. Similarly, you do the same thing for 6 and 4. Since 4 is less than 6, you'll put 4 here. Then though technically you'll be doing it on this side to merge these as well. We'll just do it on this side and then repeat it on this side. So since 3, you'll compare the first arrays of these two length arrays. So since 3 is less than 4, in this new array you'll put 3 here. Then you'll compare 5 and 4, you'll put 5. Then you'll compare 5 and 6, you'll put 5. Then you'll compare 6 and 6 is the last element, you'll put 6. So that's one of your 4 arrays. So you'll do the same thing for the other side essentially. So these will be split into 2 arrays. Then you'll compare the 2 arrays. Since 1 is less than 8, you'll put 1 here. Since 2 is less than 7, you'll put 2 here and here. And then these are 2 separate arrays, Then you'll put it into a new array as well. Since 1 is less than 2, you put 1 here. Since 8 is much greater than 2, you'll put 2 here. 7 and 8. 7 here and 8 here. So then finally, we'll put these back together again in the same process, comparing the first elements of these arrays. So 1 is less than 3, so you'll put 1 into a new array. Then between 3 and 2, you'll put 2 into a new array. Then between 3 and 7, 3 goes into the new array. 4 and 7, same thing. 5 and 7, same thing. 6 and 7, same thing, this goes in. And essentially, since there's no more elements in this array, you simply put these two back together, and then you have a sorted array.